hydraulic systems, pneumatic systems, and also another word, hydraulic multiplication. I'll tell you what this means. First off, I'm going to tell you the definitions of a hydraulic system.
But wait a second. I'm your host. He's on Mongology. Okay.
A hydraulic system is a mechanism operated by the resistance offered or the pressure transmitted when a liquid is forced through a small opening or tube.
Oh, Kyle, that's so cool. I didn't know that. Wow. Learning already.
Some examples of that is the shower, a water gun,
No water
and
gun
now I'm going to show you an example after me explain.
This is a toilet.
This is a toilet. The way it works is like quite advanced. This was all made by John Crapper. So, first off, there's pressure going through the top of the toilet, and the valve that you press every time you flush actually opens that and lets water flow in. Then there's a blooper. Then with a siphon used from the pressure going down, it takes your crap and pushes it out of the toilet.
Wow, Kyle, so advanced.
Yes, but then, so you don't overflow your toilet every time you press the valve, it uses up and down to control the floater valve to see when your toilet's going to overflow. Okay.
Oh, so magical, Kyle. Okay.
Next is a pneumatic system. A pneumatic system, for a simple definition, is a system like an hydraulic system that uses resistance or pressure offered by gases, not liquids. Okay, here's what Google says.
Pneumatic.
A pneumatic system is a system in which gas pressure difference is and their rates of changes are related to gas flow. Their integrals and their rates of change. ... Well, screw that, you know what it is. An example of a pneumatic system. Here's my imaginary air gun right here. Okay, so as you see, I put my CO2 cartridge in my imaginary air gun. Yeah. And the pressure from that goes right through my gun. Shoot you. Okay. A hydraulic multiplication is when something with a smaller surface area pushes down and creates a higher pressure with something with a bigger surface area. Izan will explain to you hydraulic multiplication. Bam.
Hello. Okay, so here I'm going to explain hydraulic multiplication. So it's kind of like the gears on a bike, you know? You use the small one, so it's easier. So here we got a picture, okay? So this shows that you push down on the smaller side because it's a lot easier. It'll push up the bigger side a lot less, but with a lot more force. This is hydraulic multiplication because the force is being multiplied using the hydraulics. Thus, hydraulic multiplication. By the way, this is all Kyle's knowledge.
Now that you know about hydraulic multiplication, ever think about pneumatic multiplication? Well, pneumatic multiplication isn't very good because two reasons. One is gases are less viscous than liquids. And second, air compresses way easier, and also any other gas. So, now that I mentioned viscosity, let's make a smooth transition towards viscosity. So, to define viscosity, I need to type raw into this phone. Okay. Viscosity, the state of being thick, sticky, and semi-fluid in consistency due to internal friction. And also, there is adhesion and cohesion involved. Izan will explain this to you.
So, adhesion and cohesion. Those are very important in viscosity. Adhesion is okay. Well, adhesion is one. the particles inside the liquid stick to particles that aren't inside the liquid, such as when water sticks to glass. Cohesion is when particles from the same liquid stick to each other, such as syrup, how it's so like slingy and slimy and all that. So, yep, that's adhesion and cohesion, and that plays a key factor in
Viscosity.
Okay.
Okay. So